Hey guys, it's me Lucy back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert PDF in Google Sheet cells. So first you need to go to the PDF you want to insert in your Google Sheet. So go ahead and right click on the file you want to insert and click on the share option and click on copy link. So here in this cell you just want to right click on it and there is an option called insert link. It will open this window. Here in text, write the text that you want to be displayed, like check this PDF, and paste the link that you copied here and click on apply, and you will see that you have inserted a PDF file in your Google Sheets cell. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.